Ready to turn that Walmart gift card into a shopping spree using the self-checkout. Let's walk through how to redeem your Walmart gift card at a self-checkout kiosk, step by step. For a seamless and quick experience, first, scan all of your items. Make sure each barcode is clearly facing the scanner for a successful read. After scanning all your items, the self-checkout screen will display your order total now. Look for the Payment Options button. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Pay Now or Payment Options button and new screen will appear showing different payment methods. Select gift card as your payment method. The screen will then prompt you to either scan or enter your gift card number. If your gift card has a barcode, scan it using the barcode scanner. Alternatively, if there's no barcode or the scan isn't working, you'll need to manually enter the gift card number and PIN. The PIN is usually located on the back of the card and may require you to scratch off a protective layer. Enter the gift card number and PIN accurately, and then press the Apply or Add button. The gift card balance will be applied to your total. If the gift card covers the entire purchase, the screen will display total due $0. If there's a remaining balance, you'll be prompted to choose another payment method like cash or card to cover the difference. Once you've paid the remaining balance, confirm the transaction and collect your receipt. You're all set. You've successfully used your Walmart gift card at self-checkout.